In this tutorial, I will explain how the advanced transaction dialog works. Full customization of both the input side and the output side of the transaction is possible. You open the advanced dialog by pressing Create Transaction and then Show Advanced. You can also change settings to have the advanced dialog show up as standard. On the input side, users can choose which wallet to use for the transaction. The terminal auto-selects inputs by default, but you can also manually select which addresses and UTXOs to include. When all the inputs have been selected, the user can then select which outputs to include. Enter the address you wish to send the coins to, and then the amount, and finally an optional comment. Then press Include Output and move on to the next output. The fees are also customizable. You can choose fees based on the estimated Bitcoin Core fees or manually enter how many satoshis per byte you wish to pay. The terminal auto-flags transactions as eligible for RBF, however users may manually change that if they wish. Finally, the user can select the change address. You can either choose to create a new native or nested sequence address for the change, or select an existing address. The only thing remaining after that is broadcasting to the network and decrypting with your wallet password.